Hey, welcome back once again to the Scouting Report. We're talking kitchen goals as we do every week, and Week 15 has the distinctly Northwest flavor. Sounders goalkeeper Stefan Frei has your tailgate covered with the help of Albert Lee, whether this is a Seahawks game on Sunday or not.
Hey everybody, Stefan Frei here, and today on Kitchen Goals we have a very special guest, Albert, with Albert Lee is joining us, and you just came back from a fishing trip and brought back some amazing salmon recipes.
I did. Brought back a couple king salmon, a couple variations I thought we could cook, and taken and show people how to get a nice, evenly cooked, moist salmon.
Amazing. Let's get into it.
We're going to put mayonnaise over the top, roughly 3/16 of an inch thick, and then we're going to put lemon pepper sprinkled on top of that. Let's take and put on the lemon pepper, sprinkle it on as thin or as thick as you want. It all gets down to personalizing how you like it.
Okay. And what does this do, adding this mayo and before we bake them?
It's going to create a sauce, so when you go to cook it, it's going to keep it moist and also provide some extra flavoring on top. So let's put teriyaki in the other sauce, on the other salmon.
All right. Okay. Now they're ready for the oven?
They're ready for the oven. So we're going to cook it at 400 degrees, and it's 15 minutes per inch of thickness. Salmon's done. Time to pull it out. And there we go.
That's great. I'm going to try this one right here. Delicious. Very good. Amazing. If you want this recipe, you can go on Cairo7.com/sports.
All right, thanks to those two for that recipe. It looked good. Since the Seahawks played Thursday, they get their mini bye this weekend. Chance to